With the regular and proper use of diabetes freedom, diabetic patients could actually get freedom from diabetes. Many diabetic patients faced severe outcomes of high blood sugar levels, have to use medicine continuously to keep the sugar level under control, as well as need to deprive of many other activities and also from favorite meals and sweet dishes because of diabetes. Some patients even gone through leg amputation with risky surgical process, but don't have any other choice as it spreads very fast and could affect other organs. High sugar level in diabetic patients could also cause brain damage, kidney damage and also affects adversely other vital organs. What is diabetes freedom? It is not a tablet, supplement or any pill but a guide. A guide that helps in getting freedom from diabetes within few weeks. There is a long list of satisfied customer who took advantage of diabetes freedom and regain routine life again. It's the best way to change entire life by reversing diabetes type 2. It is a smart guide that is readable or watchable anywhere, on tablet, mobile phone even it is available in hard copy. It is an easy 3-step approach that helps to control sugar level and reverse diabetes by melting the toxic fats around the vital organs, firing up pancreas and turn the liver into fat-burning machine. All these things ultimately help in getting back to normal diabetic-free life. How does it work? A tiny lipid molecule is the root cause of type 2 diabetes mellitus. This tiny molecule forces the toxic fat cells to flow in the blood, which eventually sticks to vital organs including heart, pancreas and liver. Ultimately suffocates the vital organs and stiffening arteries. No carbohydrates nor sugar but a tiny lipid molecules is the main cause behind the diabetes, that force the fat cells to spill in bloodstream and clog up vital organs. As the pancreas produces insulin after getting clogged up with toxic fats can't do its job of secreting insulin. Insulin helps the cells for the absorption of sugar and energy from food. In the absence of insulin, sugar level in the blood rises up and ultimately leads to diabetes type 2. Diabetes freedom actually removes this toxic fat from the body and that is how pancreas get back to its original position and start to secrete insulin that keeps the blood sugar level up to normal level and reverse the diabetes type 2. Diabetes freedom and vital organs. Not only pancreas got affected with the tiny lipid molecule, but it also badly affects other vital organs including heart and liver. The fat streams all around the body and sticks to liver and heart. Not only has this, it also clogged the arteries that shows the link of diabetic patients with high risk of heart attack and fatty livers. As the fat continuously stream into the blood, that is why the problem persists. But diabetes freedom actually works on the root cause and flushes off tiny lipid molecule. By following the guide can easily stop fat from entering in the bloodstream and clogging pancreas, liver and heart as well as other vital organs. Diabetes freedom 3-step approach. The system is divided into 3 clear steps that help to restart pancreas function, fix blood sugar levels, melt toxic fat around the vital organs as well as from the body that reduces weight and also eliminate the need of any medication. Step 1 includes the pancreas start nutritional plan that targets the white fat cells that clogged up the pancreas. Within few weeks pancreas start working again and regulate blood sugar by secreting insulin that ultimately results in the remission of diabetes type 2. Step 2 includes the brown fat boosting, as the increased brown fats results in the melting of deadly white fat cells and reverse diabetes type 2. It reveals the 3 blood sugar lowering drinks. Boosting brown fats not only fix blood sugar levels and reverse diabetes, but also clear arteries, lowering blood pressure levels, melting excess fat away and boosting energy. Step 3 tells the meal timings that help to eradicate diabetes type 2. It explains when to take carbs and sweet dishes to beat diabetes. The scheduling of meal actually helps in beating diabetes that had never happened before. Final verdict: to fight with diabetes 2, it is necessary to find out the root cause and eliminate it. Diabetes freedom actually works on the root cause, which is tiny lipid molecule that actually flows in bloodstream and clogged different vital organs, including pancreas, heart and liver as well as arteries. Because of clogging, pancreas couldn't secrete the insulin that regulates blood sugar level. Diabetes freedom helps to clog off pancreas and fire it up to secrete insulin as well as also helps the liver to metabolize fat, and that is how flush off fats from body. It is a system that is available on very affordable prices with 60 days money back guarantee.